Now to the legal landscape. Our legal analyst, attorney Dan Adams, is joining us every morning for the duration of Milwaukee's first state murder trial. Maxwell Anderson is on trial facing charges related to the killing of 19-year-old Shade Robinson last year. Good morning, Dan. A big chunk of yesterday's testimony really featured law enforcement officers who tracked Robinson's car after it left Anderson's house. The amount of time spent kind of appears to show how much this evidence means to the prosecution. Why do you think they spent so many hours on this video?
Oh boy, yeah, Mallory, the time that you allude to must have been massive police resources, basically using Shade Robinson's 360 app. That was an app on her phone that allowed police to kind of track her phone's whereabouts around the community on the day or the night of her disappearance, and then going back and physically going to different businesses, public entities, and looking through surveillance footage for that time and place to try to put together a chronology with video of that car traveling through the community. You know, I think that the state law enforcement at that time had the hope of having a depiction of who was driving that car at that time, and that would have been an amazing piece of evidence to have. Unfortunately, they were able to find the car in many locations and put that into evidence yesterday. But because of the climate of the day, the windows were completely fogged up throughout this car's travel in the community. So while they did amazing work to create this chronology of the car's travels, what they wanted was this, this golden piece of evidence of the driver, and they didn't get it.
Yeah, on the topic of hours spent, the judge actually had to stop court yesterday after a juror appeared to fall asleep. Is there a certain point where the prosecution is providing too much information to the jury?
Well, yeah, these things could be related, right? If the, it's not unusual to have a juror rest their eyes or fall asleep. Usually the judge, that's why the judge is there, to make sure that everyone is doing their job, including the jury, to stay awake and pay attention. I'm sure that this juror was not sleeping for any substantial amount of time. They took the break. These are normal people. Who knows what happened last night? But it could be an indication that the state is being a little too laborious with their presentation and may want to change it up. Sometimes there's just no way to do that. But again, we're getting pretty near the end of the case. I expected them to be done by the close of business yesterday. I think they could be done putting in their case by the end of the morning.
We did learn about some DNA evidence found on Anderson's sweatshirt left in a trash bin. This case has really lacked DNA evidence. Is this jacket huge for the prosecution? Does it hurt the defense?
Yeah, there hasn't been a lot of DNA from Maxwell Anderson's home, and they did a sweep of the home. All of the knives in this, well, a lot of the knives and weaponry that were in the home, not related to Shade Robinson. So what they were able to find was this sweatshirt that they believe that Anderson was wearing on the bus leaving the scene of the arson of Shade Robinson's car. They believe that they have Shade Robinson's DNA on that sweatshirt. And again, that was found in a trash barrel some houses down from Maxwell Anderson's home. So the connection between this sweatshirt and Shade Robinson is a really big piece of evidence if you're the state.
Yeah, we'll see what comes out today in court when it resumes at 8:45 this morning. Dan, thank you so much. We'll see you again tomorrow for more of the legal landscape.